So if you're looking for a new toothbrush, can I definitely recommend the SURI toothbrush. So again, it's made from reusable plastic, so rather than it all going to waste like you would with a normal toothbrush, this one's made from reusable plastic, so it's a good thing to do. It's got two good modes within it as well, so you'll hear it here. All you do is you just press the top button here, you see here, you'll do one there, and you can hardly hear it. You can tell the difference between the modes on the lights here. It's just different frequencies that makes it easier for you when you're doing your teeth. It does the usual thing, like it'll tell you when your teeth, the timer, so it'll buzz at you when you've done a certain amount of time within your toothbrush time. And the other cool thing that I like about it individually is it comes with this cool case. It is USB-C rechargeable. So even if you lost the cable for your existing one, you can go and get a USB cable really easy. And the good thing about it as well is just inside there's a UV light that helps kill any bugs that might be on your toothbrush too. So super simple to use. I'm really happy with it. It lasted a good long time, this one. I'm just waiting for new heads to come for it because I've been using it so much. But I definitely recommend it. I like the fact that it's rechargeable, so if you've got a lot of travelling, definitely worth it for the USB-C in case you forget your charger. So yep, going by, I think you'll be very happy with what you get.